Setup Custom Settings. This area allows users to customize program options and, if necessary, secure their selections with username and password. Initially, you enter this dialog box by leaving the username and password fields empty and clicking OK. Under the Features tab, it is possible to control the front screen button functionality. If there are features that users should not have access to, place a check in the appropriate boxes here. Maintenance schedules can be defaulted to display either normal service or severe service. Please note that indicator type service data will always appear first if included for that year, make, and model. Setup Options allows further control. The default condition is all functions are allowed. By placing checks here, users will be denied access to any selected functions. This is the way to control access to any areas you determine should not be changed from your initial settings. For example, if you want to disable annotations for library patrons, put a check in that box. This is the place to also control display of save quote or program exit dialog messages. Printing options include printing of color wiring diagrams in black and white where color printer is not present. You can also decide whether to include the estimator parts and labor notes content on your printed quotes. If you're going to use administrator control over custom settings, the Security tab is where you enter a username and password. It's customary to enter the password twice to confirm it. Pricing is where you control whether US or Canadian list prices display for OEM parts. Please note that Canadian list prices are provided from the manufacturers and not a simple conversion formula of the US list prices. OEM parts markup may be accomplished here by entering any number larger than 1 in this field.